Welcome to Sri Lanka. We are staying at a nature lodge in Nuwara Eliya. Well, we thought it was in Nuwara Eliya. Turns out it's near Botanical Gardens, 20 minutes from Nuwara Eliya. But it's beautiful. Look around. Have a light. Come on in, I'll show you around. Come on. Yeah, we also didn't know the name of this place. It made it very difficult to find. It was just called Nature Lodge. Turns out, if you read the booking properly, it is called Mount Crest Bungalow. Come on in. Now here we have a very quaint room. Has everything you need. A bed. Perfect. Sideboard thing. Probably a dead body under here somewhere. It's very old and rustic, and there's a giant mirror. We've got complimentary cinnamon tea. And a table. This is the lounge room. We have a lounge. But I wouldn't sit on it because you will fall through. It's more for aesthetics anyway. We have a locked cupboard, which probably opens at midnight. And I thought there was jelly up there, but I think it's bait for ants and bugs and rats, possibly tourists. Come on in. Bedroom. Yes, there is no top sheet. This looks like a top sheet, but it's just... Anyway, we won't look under there too hard. Yes, pillows. We thought there was no pillowcases, but there is. We also won't look under that. We've got some blankets. A very fine polyester fluff. And for those of us who don't like weird textures on our skin, this is very, very sensory overloading and yucky. Yucky. Put that there. Bathroom this way. Now, it's more of a wet room than a bathroom. And quite a dungeon. They've just cleaned, so everything is wet, including the toilet paper. That's fine. There's a bum gun in there anyway to hose down with. And toilet. It's a flap to keep it covered, but it's wet. Tuta, shower, tap and basin. And there's us. Arrivederci.